In this video, we are going to learn about the page layout and print preview options in Excel, where we will discuss how we can manage this large sheet of payroll if you want to print it or if you want to customize it. So just download this file with the resources section of this video. And also this is a very effective sheet. As you can see here, it's built on UAE layout where they have the employee unique ID, employee account, agent ID, and all of this stuff. So it's very effective, especially if you are in UAE or Saudi region. So we have many columns here starting from 1 till 26, which means it will be very difficult for us to manage all of this in the print settings. So how we can figure out this kind of problem, let's see. So if we want to print this out, there are two kinds of layout that we can use. Either we can use a portrait style or we can use the landscape style. But as we already know that the landscape style has greater capacity because it's in horizontal form and our data is arranged in the same way. So we will prefer landscape instead of portrait. So let's see how we can change the page orientation from portrait to landscape. But if we want to see the default view, we can just click on the file and click on print. And here we only have these 5 columns to be printed. And if we print out like this, all of our 42 pages, you can see the counting at the bottom, 42 pages will be wasted because it's not arranged properly. And if we scroll through the data, you will see that the first page only have 5 columns. That means it has inconsistent and incomplete information. If we check page 2, it's only showing the rest of the part of information without any headers. Rest of the pages are all empty. And we have a little weird information. Then we have only some headings and a couple of blank pages. So as we can see, the data is much scattered and we need to arrange this. Otherwise, all of our print pages will be wasted. So that's why we need to adjust the layout first. And if we want to change the orientation style, what we can do is just go to the file menu and click on print. And from here, the portrait orientation can be changed to landscape. As we can see, the capacity gets better and we have more columns adjusted on a single page, but still the counting remains 41. That means we need some further settings as well. And before moving forward, if you are using some other version of Microsoft Office, you might see this orientation settings in the page setup option. You can change it from here as well. All right, this means that we need to adjust all of this layout. And how will we adjust this? First of all, we need to figure out why the person will be printing this salary sheet or payroll sheet at all. The reason why you print the salary sheet is because you want to attach it with a supporting document. Let's say against all the checks issued or all the salaries transferred, you want to attach this in the file as a supporting document. So that means that we can hide multiple columns that is not very important to show in the supporting document. We can hide the date of joining, right click and click on hide. We can hide the serial number, and actually we can hide all of these details as well. Employee unique ID, agent ID, employee account, pay start date, end days, days work, department, and designation. Right click and hide this. And if we see towards right, we have the bank, visa company, and payment status. We can hide all of these details as well. Let's hide this. So now if we check the position, if we are able to manage this in limited pages, click on file and click on print. It is able to now manage this in 6 pages, and that's a great thing. But we need to still check whether we have unnecessary information printed in a wrong way or not. So first of all, it looks fine with the first page, but still the information is broken into 2 parts, into 2 pages. So obviously it's not fine. On the 3rd page, it's nothing printed properly. On the 4th page, remaining information that should be with the first page is printed here. And then the remaining part of that. So still it is not okay. So this means the page is getting breaked at different points. We need to adjust that. But first of all, just try this by yourself. Adjust and hide all the unnecessary columns and adjust the page orientation. And I will see you in the next one.